Search for the Star in a Million Season 2 Performance Night. Here's our last grand finalist singing a hit of a champion for tonight.
Here's our Cebuano Mr. Sal, Jimmy Marquez, singing the hit song of the pop princess, Sarah Geronimo.
Itong kantang to, ang nagpanalo sa akin sa pinakamalaking competition ng career ko. Ito, nagbigay sa akin ng swerte, nagbigay sa akin ng tagumpay. Ito din yung nagpahit dun sa aking first single, kaya swerte talaga. Jimmy, sana baka pagbigay din ng swerte itong kantang ito sa'yo, katulad ng naibigay nito sa akin. Good luck!
Take me back into the arms I love. Need me like you did before. Touch me once again and remember when there was no one that you wanted more. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. And someday, all the love that we had can be saved. Whatever it takes, we'll find a way. And I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you
Jimmy, kala ko, gaganong ka. Yun ang pagkakaiba, kaya... Well, Jimmy, every time ka naman kumakanta, definitely parang napapatingin ako. I mean, talagang we listen to you. So, I don't know kung disadvantage yun dahil we tend to be picky, lalo na ngayon na medyo palapit na tayo. Hindi mo ako finail. Hindi mo ako finail. You performed well tonight. Ibang-ibang rendition mo kay Sarah, kaya nagkaiba. Si Sarah siguro naging, it's more of a pop. Ang delivery mo parang R&B soul. So yun, naintindihan ko yun. Kaya lang, syempre, parang mas maganda lang yung ibang performances mo rather than this. But, you never failed me naman.
Sa akin naman, Jimmy, I love this performance because very, very soulful. It doesn't really, hindi masyadong nasa-showcase yung galing ng vocal acrobatics mo. But you sang it from the heart and I could see that. And I really, really enjoyed it. Thank you for your wonderful performance. Sana nga na-recording kasi pwede nang iplaka.
No, Jimmy, actually, totoo yun. You were very sincere in your performance. Kaya lang I expected more. Siguro yung piyesa din. Tsaka kasi para kang si Alicia Keys na nag-diet.
Thank you.
Jimmy?
Jimmy! You never fail daw ang ating searchers every time you perform. Anong masasabi mo doon?
I'm glad to hear that kasi that's one of the goals that I do every time I perform. So I'm happy na hindi ko sila na-fail every time I perform.
Tsaka bagay na bagay sa
Bagay
kanyang
na
title
bagay
na
sa'yo.
Mr. Soul, di ba?
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
at Alicia Keys ka daw, sabi ni Mr.
That's a
Wingard
compliment. I take that
Racing.
as a compliment. Thank you so much, Sir Wingard.
That's good. At sabi
Better
nila,
than
ano daw,
Donna Summer.
Donna Summer ito. Okay.
Okay,
At alam mo,
congratulations.
Jimmy, sabi din ni Direk at ni kontento naman sila. Hindi mo sila finail at soulful. Siyempre naman, Mr. Soul K, diba?
Kasi taga Cebu tayo eh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Congrats.